Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're talking crypto transfers, specifically moving your USDT from OKX over to Binance. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. First things first, what is USDT? USDT is like a digital dollar, pegged to the US dollar's value. This makes it a stable coin, meaning its price doesn't jump around like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now exchanges. Think of them like banks for your crypto. OKX and Binance are two popular ones. We're moving our USDT between them. Security is key here, folks. Always double-check URLs and enable two-factor authentication. Alright, let's get this transfer party started. Before we move anything, we gotta make sure we're logged into both exchanges. Head over to OKX and log in. Make sure it's the real deal, not some scam site. Double-check that URL. Next up, Binance, same deal, log in and make sure everything looks right. With both exchanges ready, let's grab your Binance USDT address. This is like your account number for USDT on Binance. Head to your Binance wallet and find USDT. Click on Deposit and select the correct network. This is super important. OKX and Binance need to be speaking the same language, so to speak. Copy that address, we'll need it in a sec. Alright, back to OKX, time to withdraw that USDT. Go to your OKX wallet and find USDT, click Withdraw. Now paste that Binance address you copied earlier into the right field. Double check that address, triple check it. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you hit send, it's gone. Make sure you selected the same network on both exchanges. Now enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Pay attention to any fees. Each exchange has its own fee structure. Everything look good? Hit that confirm button. You did it. You did. Congrats, you've successfully transferred USDT from OKX to Binance. Give yourself a pat on the back. That wasn't so hard, was it? Remember, always double-check those addresses and networks. And don't be afraid to reach out to customer support if you hit a snag. Stay safe out there and happy trading.